We will now continue with the download of PyCharm. PyCharm is a platform where we can write Python codes. If you want to learn more, you can visit the official webpage. We are going to download an older version of PyCharm. I personally use PyCharm 2018.3.3, but feel free to download whichever version you prefer. Again, save the file, and I will continue the video after download. The link is down below. We will now continue with installing PyCharm. You can check to create a shortcut according your Python version, the other will not work. And again to add the path. Let's open PyCharm. In the complete installation window, leave the pre-check do not import settings and press OK. You can customize your PyCharm, but I prefer to leave mine as default. In PyCharm window, press Create New Project. You can name your project whatever you like. I'll name mine Tutorial. Open the project interpreter. You have to check the base interpreter if your Python location is correct. Change the location if you want to save your projects in another file. Some time is needed for the virtual environment to be created. Don't worry, it is for only the first time. You can check the tip of the day. For now, I'll press close. Press File, New Scratch File, and then check Python. Now press View. Have the toolbar been checked? For having the settings available in the ribbon,